Okay, so we are leaving this place now. I just booked a caravan park stay, $83 for, no, 87 for 2 nights. And we are now here in the camping ground. Actually, caravan park. Yeah, there are some cabin and some tent size. You know, I'm looking for the shower. There's a common area here. There is a fridge, there's a microwave, kitchen, basically camp kitchen. Some people they have vehicles and tent. Some people has trailer, just like this. Yeah, big trailers. And there is this like a unit. The cheapest unit, studio type, is $130. Okay, so I just took a shower. Yeah, I feel good now. There is laundry. Also, there are drying area. And my van is just downstairs. What I'm going to do now is to sleep. And then when I wake up, I'm going to do some editing. Yo, good evening guys. Yeah, I don't know the time. It is already 9:25. I fried this egg outside, and then this rice I just reheat it. I already eat apple, I already eat crackers, but still I was craving for rice. That's why I reheat this. Put a little soy sauce on the rice. So basically I sleep around maybe at 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock, and I wake up at 7 o'clock. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, this is our coffee for today. This morning the sun is rising. Good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are still here in the campground. Oh, there is that chicken. Not chicken, but I don't know. Yeah, we're still here in the campground. I was just on my computer. Today is like a rest day. Yeah, just doing things on the computer, not driving a lot. But I actually went to the grocery and I bought some things for me to cook tonight and yeah, tomorrow. I will be leaving this place tomorrow and we'll go to another campground. I was actually tempted to buy a tent because some of the camping ground is only for tent. I actually have a tent on my car, but yeah, I removed it before leaving the house. This camping ground is actually part of the Lane Cove National Park. Yeah, that is the Lane Cove National Park. And in case you don't know, this is just one of the 2 camping ground within Greater Sydney. Yeah, the other one is a Bonnie Vale Campground, which is located in Royal National Park. And then this one, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, the rest are outside of Sydney. Some of the campground are already in Central Coast, Blue Mountains. Yeah, those are already like over 1 hour or 2 hours drive from Sydney. I don't know if this truck is a camper van. Yeah, it looks like truck, a regular truck. Yeah, it's camper van. Yeah, looking like a very good design. So yeah, it's been 5 days now. I have been living in the van for 5 days now, and yeah, I regret some of the days that I eat in the restaurant. Yeah, those actually are the thing that I don't like when I spend money. on eating outside, because what I really want is to be just cooking here in the car or cooking my food. But I was always tempted because you know I am in the city. Yeah, and you know Sydney greater area has a lot of restaurant, a lot of shopping mall. Very tempting to buy, to eat, to shop. Good morning guys, this is another day. Yeah, actually outside is good. I've been outside already. I went to the toilet. You know, there's a problem with this camera. Every morning, because it is very cold in the morning, the battery is not working properly. Also the LCD, sometimes there's some blinking, and yeah, like that. I'm going to make a soup, but I'm going to do it in the kitchen, not here in the car. I'm going to cook it here in this pot, just a small quantity. I have this bok choy. Okay. Actually, yesterday I went to the grocery and I bought this. So I'm going to wash this first. Just add some water. And then in here, I actually have this. I'll be using nail cutter to open this. Yeah, two. I don't have any utensils. And they actually have this kind of Japanese instant tofu miso soup. And I'm going to put one. Also have some eggs here. Let's put that too. That's enough. Close. How to close? That's it. It doesn't have any seasoning. We're going back to the car and we put some seasoning. Actually, maybe we add more of the instant soup. Yeah, the instant soup is already flavored. Okay, let's switch on the light so it's bright. So this is how it is. Yeah, I need some salt. There is already the taste of the instant soup, but no salt. The reason is I put a lot of water and a lot of ingredients. Salt. Where's the salt? Here, I have salt here. I'm actually tempted to eat it with the rice. Always with the rice. Oh, better now. Good as some miso soup. Should I eat it with rice or as it is? The soup is really good. Yeah, the noodles doesn't have much taste. It didn't absorb the miso flavor. I already washed the plates in the pot. Yeah, this is the one. In case you don't know, this is two set of pots and one pan and one kettle. Yeah, nice. And if you remember, I have a thermos. Yeah, I realized that I don't need the thermos because I have this. Too much water. I put too much water. And it is actually time to check out now. Yeah, so we're going to leave this place. We're going to go to another camping ground. I don't know where yet. And I'm now ready to go. I don't know where we are going now.
Entering time-lapse mode.
Yeah, so I stopped here because yeah, I have been driving already, but I realized that I forgot to put the table up, and so all the things are down there now. What else? Yeah, this is spoon. And we are now here in Royal National Park. Yeah, in the car park. At the moment there is a helicopter. We'll have a look.